po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang seatbelt. Huwag munang tumayo at baka kayo masaktan sa bigaan pag ito ng eroplano. Ay inyong mga gamit sa stowage bins ay maaari lamang kunin kapag ang eroplano ay ganap ng nakahinto at nabigyan na kayo ng pahintulot na bumaba. Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkil. Inaasahan namin na muli tayong magkikita. Maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed Mactan Cebu International Airport. Welcome to Cebu. The local time now is 20 minutes past the hour of 10 in the morning, February 17, 2013. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Refrain from standing as the sudden application of the brakes may cause you to fall. Do not remove your carry-on baggage from the overhead stowage bins until the aircraft has come to a full stop and you have been given permission to disembark. Once the seatbelt sign has been turned off, take precaution when retrieving your carry-on baggage from the overhead stowage bins. The items may have shifted during the flight and may fall and injure you or the passengers seated around you. On behalf of Captain Renzi Cruz, First Officer Raymond Pabalan, and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Asia First, signing through. For your information, you may find our best fares and latest promotions at our website www.philippineairlines.com. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.